Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. In front of you HP Color LaserJet MFP 178nw printer. And what is the error message on the screen? Replaced with new imaging unit, transfer belt error. Printer is showing red light error. In this video we will learn how to reset this error, transfer belt replacement. We have to bring printer into service mode or tech mode. How to bring printer into tech mode? Just with the combination of some buttons here. Stay with me and watch the complete video and we will reset this error message. Press 3 dot button and down button, left arrow, right arrow, press OK and then stop. Again 3 dot button. Printer is in tech mode now. You can see it's in tech mode. Now I will press OK again, tech mode, and now data setup, press OK again. We have to clear some memories. I will go right, clear counters, then we'll press OK. It's asking password. The password is 1934. 1, press OK, then right arrow, bring 9 with the right arrow, then press OK. Again 1934, 3, press OK, again 4, and then press OK. Again press OK to access. It's accessed now. Now we have to find imaging unit, press OK. It's cleared. Then again right, we will clear the fuser also, press OK. And now we will clear transfer belt also, clear and press OK. All error cleared with the help of this. Then I will go back and will turn off the printer and turn back on again. I remove the power cord from the electric board, turn back on. System is initializing, and now we will see if there is any error on the screen or not. What you learned in this video, we have to access tech mode. First of all, the 3 dots button, then down button, then left button, right button, press OK, then stop, then again 3 dot button. You will find tech mode. In the tech mode, we have to access, clear all counters and enter the password 1934. Printer is warming up now. It's showing please wait, and there is no error message on the screen. We can print anything from here if you want. I will go on reports, in system setup, reports, configuration, demo page. I will click on demo page, print yes to make sure printing or not. Okay, let's took the paper in the drive, and you can see this is the demo page. It's printed. If you have any other question regarding any kind of color LaserJet or black LaserJet printer, ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.